Hey guys, this is my second devlog of a math game I've been working on for a month now. If you have not checked out the first devlog, I recommend you do because it gives you some good information about this project. After spending like 20 minutes thinking, I've finally come up with a name for my game. I've decided to call it Discovery. Now, I might decide to change the name later, but I feel like Discovery does a good job for now. So, remember back to my last video where I said that I would improve the UI? Well, people, I have done it. I made a second minigame. Before you dislike the video and start throwing tomatoes at me, I did work on the UI. I'll go over the changes later in this video. First, let's talk minigames. I added a new gun to the FPS minigame, which will deal more damage the longer you charge it up, with a limit, of course. For those wondering, the calculation is done using this code snippet. The main thing missing from the FPS minigame is a map. I plan to work on the map later. Oh man, if I keep saying things like this, the project will never be complete. Anyways, I'm not going to work on the map right now because I'm trying to get as many features of the game done as I can. There are no more features to add to the FPS minigame. Adding new enemies or guns does not require any programming because of a decent system that I've implemented. Because I have this complete all the features first mindset, I decided to work on the next minigame. At first, I could not really come up with an idea for this minigame, but then my brother said I should make a rhythm type game. So I took his idea like I take other people's code, and I decided to make the way you answer based on your timing. My plan was to have a cube moving up and down and the available answers in the middle of the screen. If a cube crossed the answer you wanted to choose and you press the number key, the answer would select and you would be notified if you got your answer right. Getting the cube to move up and down was pretty easy, and you can see in this footage that my code is working pretty well. Well, turns out I was using the wrong function. I should have just used mathf.lerp instead of vector3.lerp. There goes 2 hours I'll never get back. Now comes the part all of you were waiting for, the new UI. Well, here it is. It still does not look that great, but I feel like it looks a lot better than what I had before, so I'm keeping it. Well, that's going to be it for me. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like and maybe subscribe. Next devlog, I'll be working on adding an achievement system and finishing up the settings menu. Oh yeah, and adding gun models. If you made it this far, I appreciate you and thanks for watching.